In this video, I explain MCQ of Basic Mechanical Engineering subject, Chapter number 1, Introduction of Basic Mechanical Engineering. First MCQ is, prime mover is a device which converts natural resource into which energy? Option A, electrical. Option B, mechanical. Option C, kinetic. Option D, thermals. So you know that the prime mover is a device in which the natural source of energy is converted into the mechanical energy. That means option B is the correct. Means in any types of the prime movers we supply the natural source of energy as an input and output is the mechanical energy. Amount of heat liberated by burning of fuel is depend upon filling the blanks of fuels. Means heat liberated is depend on the which property of the fuels. Option A, specific heat. Option B, heat capacity. Option C, calorific value. And option D, all of the above. So option C is the correct answer, that is a calorific value. So amount of the heat liberated means amount of the heat released by burning of any fuels. Suppose we burn the 1 kg of the petrols, and amount of the energy released by the petrol is depend on the calorific value of the fuels. So every fuels have some different calorific value. Third MCQ, when water is stored at the higher elevation, it contains which energy? Means water stored at the higher elevation means at the home we store the water in a tank, okay, in a hydropower plants or in a dam, water is stored in a dam. So in stored water, which type of the energy is there? Okay, so first one is the potential energy, second one is the kinetic, option C is the heat, and option 4 is the electric energy. So option A is the correct answers. The stored water have the potential energy because in these stored conditions water are in a stationary forms, okay, waters are not moving, that's why it is called as the potential energy. When the water is flowing from the pipe, it's called as the kinetic energy. That MCQ is also coming in. Okay, so here you see it is MCQ. A jet of water has which energy? Jet of water means water coming out from the any pipe, it is called as the jet of water. Means at our home the tap is there, so when we open the tap the water is start to flow, and this water have the kinetic energy. So different option is given. Option A, potential. Option B, kinetic. Option C, heat. Or option D, electrical energy. Okay, so jet of water have a kinetic energy. So option B is the correct answer. Next, which kind of energy fuel possess? Means in a fuel which energy is there? In every fuel means suppose that is a wood is there, waste energy is there, fuel is there. Fuel means petrol is there, diesel is there, kerosene is there. There is a number of fuel is possible. So in this fuel which energy is there? Okay, so option A is given mechanical, option B electrical, option C thermals, and option D is chemical. So every fuel have the chemical energy. So option D is the correct answer. The ratio of force to area is called, means force divided by area is the equation of which parameters or which property? So option A is work, option B is heat, option C is force, and option D is the pressure. So we know that the pressure is equal to force upon area, means force upon area is the equations of the pressure. So option D is the correct answers. Now before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the basic mechanical engineering and other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the various video, link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card mean on the top right screen of your mobiles or laptop you see this I symbols. Gauge pressure is measured with respect to absolute zero pressure, atmospheric pressures, vacuum pressures, or option D is all of the above. So all of the above is the correct answer because the gauge pressure is measured with respect to all these parameters. The unit of work is, means what is the unit of work? Option A, Newton into meter, option B, joule, option D, kg into meter square divided by second square, or all of the above. So here option D is the correct, all of the above. So all these three units are the unit of the work in a different systems. Filling the blank is not the unit of pressures, means 4 value is given, 4 unit is given. Also out of these 4, which one is not the unit of pressures? Okay, so first is given Pascal, so we know that Pascal is the unit of pressure. Second is given bar. Bar is also unit of pressures. Third one is Newton per second square. So this is the unit of the viscosity. So it is not the unit of pressure. And the fourth one is given Newton per meter square. Means option C is not the unit of pressure. Means Newton per second square is not the unit of pressure. So correct answer is the option C. Next, which one is not high grade energy? So what is the meaning of high grade energy? Means energy conversion is completely possible from to one form to another form. It is called as the high grade energy. And low grade energy means complete conversion is not possible. It is called as the low grade energy. So here different option is given: thermal energy, chemical energy, atomic energy, and all of the above. So option D is the correct. That is, all the three are not a high grade energy. Means heat are not completely converted into the work. Chemical energy is also not converted. Atomic energy is also not converted. Means is not high grade. Means these all the three are the low grade energy of the source. Filling the blank is not a type of mechanical energy. Means various option is given, out of which is not considered as the mechanical energy. First is potential energy. Second one is the heat energy. Third one is the kinetic energy. And option D is the none of the above. So heat energy is not considered as the mechanical energy. So option B is the correct answer. Heat energy is not types of mechanical energy. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of 1 kg of substance by 1 degree centigrade is called option A, specific heat. Option B, specific heat at constant volume. Option C, specific heat at constant pressures. And option D, calorific value. Correct answer is the option A, specific heat. Specific heat means suppose we have the 1 kg of water in one vessels and we need to increase its temperature by 1 degree. Means suppose the temperature is 25 and we need to increase to the 26 degree. So at that time we need to supply some quantity of heat energy. Okay. So it is called as the specific heat. Filling the blank is specific heat of water. Means what is the value of specific heat for the water? First option is given 428.7 joule per kg Kelvin. Option B is given 4.2 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Option C is given 4187 joule per kg Kelvin. And option D is 420 joule per kg Kelvin. So here different unit is given. Here you see, we focus the B have the kilojoule per kg Kelvin means, and another three have the joule per kg Kelvin. So option C is the correct answer, 4187 joule per kg Kelvin. Suppose it is also given in a kilojoule. Okay, it is not necessary this same option is given. Suppose they give the 4.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, then it is also the correct answers. The phase change from solid to vapor is called, so you know that is a different phase change process. Okay, the liquid is converted into the vapor, vapor is converted into the liquid, liquid is converted into the solid. Means water is converted to the ice, water is converted into the vapor, and vapor is converted into the directly ice. Okay, so that is the different phase change process is there. Okay, so here they ask about the solid to vapor. Means they are directly convert from solid to vapor, they are not come into the liquid state. That process name is which? Option A is given sublimations, option B is given the vaporizations, option C is given fusions, and option D is the none of the above. So option A is the correct answer, that is a sublimations. Okay, and this one gas, that is a solid CO2, is directly convert from solid to vapor. Okay, so these MCQs also ask in examinations the which gas is directly converted from solid state to vapor state. It is called as the solid CO2, or solid CO2 is also known as the dry ice. Zeroth law of thermodynamics forms the basis of measurement of the following. Option A, heat exchange. Option B, work. Option C, pressure. Option D, the temperature. So we know that the zeroth law is defines the temperatures. So D is the correct answer. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of option A, energy conservations. Option B, heat transfer. Option C, work transfers, and option D, all of the above. So we know that first law of thermodynamics related with the energy conservations. Energy conservation means energy is neither created nor be destroyed. It can convert from one form to another form. Unit of mechanical power is which? Option A is given joule. Option B is watt. Option C is pascals. Option D is newtons. So correct answer is the option B, watt. Okay, so here power is asked. Suppose the work is asked, then different unit is possible. So Pascal is unit of pressures, Newton is unit of pressures. Okay, so unit of power is the watt, kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt. Next MCQ is 1 bar is equal to how many Newton per meter square. So we know that 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. So they have given different options. So we know the answer, that is a 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. So option B is the correct answers. Next is the barometer is used to measure which parameters. So barometer is generally used to measure the pressures. Okay, so various option is given. Option A is pressure, option B is temperatures, option C is given electrical energy, and option D is given the force. So we know that the barometer is used to measure the pressures. So option A is the correct answer. It is used to measure the pressures. Now another MCQ, which of the following is not a unit of distance? Okay, not a unit of distance. Option A is given light years, angstroms, miles, and the option D is the carat. So carat is used for the weight. Okay, so here the carat is not used for the distance. So these light years and Armstrong is used to measure the distance between the two planets, means very large distance is measured by using this unit light years and angstroms. The carat is the unit of weight. So option D is the correct answers. It is not the unit of distance, but it is the unit of weight. The process of sublimation is found to occur in which substance? Option A liquid N2, option B solid CO2, option C solid O2 means oxygens, and option D air. So I already explained these things. The solid CO2 is directly converted in solid state to the vapor states. Okay, so here sublimation means it is directly convert solid to vapors, and solid CO2 is directly convert from solid state to vapor state. So option B is the correct answer. Next, which property is called intensive property? Intensive means not depend on the mass of the substance. It is called as the intensive. So here in intensive, I word is come. So I means another word, that is independent, means not depend on the mass. So kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is depend on the mass. Viscosity is not depend on the mass. Internal energy is also depend on the mass. And magnetization is also depend on the mass. So correct answer is the B. Viscosity is not depend on the mass. Work is considered positive when work is done on the system, work is done by the system, both A and B, and none of the above. So we know that when the system is give the output as a work, so work is done by the system. So option B is the correct answer. When the output system is give the output in a form of the work, then it is considered as the positive. And suppose we supply work to the system, then it is considered as the negative. Specific heat is defined as the amount required to rise the unit degree of temperatures of substance, to rise unit mass of substance through unit degree of temperatures, to rise the unit mass of substance through 10 degrees centigrades, and option D none of the above. So option D is the correct. We know what is the definitions of specific heat. Amount of heat energy required to rise the 1 degree temperatures of the 1 degree mass. So here that perfect definition is not given. So it is a none of the above. Answer is that. The SI unit Newton into meter per second is also called what? Option B joule, option C calorie, and option D none of the above. So Newton into meter is also written as the joule. Okay, so this Newton into meter is joule, but here per second is given. So joule per second is denoted as the watt. Okay, suppose Newton into meter is given only, then the correct answer is joule. But here Newton into meter per second given, means Newton into meter is joule, and joule per second is denoted as the watt. So correct answer is the option A, watt. The sum of internal energy U and the product of pressure and volume PV is known as work done, entropy, enthalpy, or a heat. So we know that the enthalpy H is equal to internal energy plus pressure into volume PV. So option C is the correct answers. In an isolated system, what transfer? Is transfer the mass, it's transfer the energy, both mass and energy, and neither mass nor energy. So in an isolated system, neither mass is transferred nor energy is transferred. So option D is the correct answers. Which of the following is a part function? Heat, temperatures, pressures, and volume. So option A is the correct answer. Heat is the part functions. Another MCQ, which of the following is the high grade energy? High grade means complete conversion is possible. That is a work, heat, chemical energy, and none of the above. So option A is the correct. Work is completely converted in another form of the energy. That's why it is called as the high grade energy. Which law give the definitions of temperature? Planck law, Charles law, Avogadro law, or a zeroth law of thermodynamics? So correct answer is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video, subscribe my channels, and don't forget to share with your friends.